Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we are seeing some weakness across the market in the international market. The dollar index, which has shown sign of up move, has moved up on Friday and is also up today. So that is putting up some pressure on most of the emerging market and also the commodity. Most of commodity are seeing some corrections. Aluminum and copper and iron ore and steel all are down. Iron ore is down by almost around 3%, and steel is down by around 1% in today morning China trade. Oil has also seen some softness. So across the board, we are seeing some profit taking. Similar trend can be visible in India also. We may see profit booking happening in India as well. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap down opening, and we're likely to witness some sort of a selling pressures because from the last 2 days, 2 to 3 trading sessions, we are witnessing that the Nifty is facing a very strong resistance nearby 23,600. And on Friday, it has given a negative closing nearby 23,500 levels, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. Going ahead on the technical front, the immediate support is listed at 23,340. We move below that level. We can
Sorry.
see the further downside towards 23,340 to 23,270 levels. Whereas on high side, as of now, the resistance is placed at around 23,570. If the Nifty surpasses that level, then only we can witness some sort of a pullback rally towards 23,640 to 23,700 levels. But definitely, it's a stock specific market. One should hold their longs, or they should book their profits on every rise or maintain the strict stop losses. Coming towards the Bank Nifty was performing really very well from the last few trading sessions. Last week, the index was almost up by 3%, maintain a closing above 51,600. But yes, profit booking cannot be denied at the higher level. Looking toward the technical setups, I believe that we might witness some sort of a profit bookings in the Bank Nifty as well. The immediate support lies at 51,370. Any move below that level will attract a more profit booking, which might take a Bank Nifty towards 51,000 levels. Whereas the resistance is placed at around 51,870, 52,000 levels on the high side. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 22,870, 22,750 are the two crucial support levels, whereas the resistance is placed at around 23,070 and 23,160 levels. As of now, we are not. I'm not giving any buy or the sell call. Let the market support downs nearby levels. Then we can initiate the intraday or the 1 to 2 days buy call or the sell call. That's it from my end. I request Nirav to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, the data is more or less the same. The only real thing here is the calls from 23,400 up to 24,000 level. We have seen a good built up in most of the calls, and that is a slight negative. That does tell us that there can be some selling pressure that can come in Nifty up to that 23,300, 23,200 odd levels. So yeah, today we are opening with a gap down. We can see further selling coming in if 23,400 levels are broken. So look out for the same. 23,500 now will be a resistance area. From the stock specific front, pharma as a whole should witness some buying today, and IT as well. Tech-M, Infosys, HCL Tech, these can witness some further buying coming in. They have witnessed good buying in the last trading session. So further buying can be seen in both these sectors. So yeah, look out for the same. They can give good defense to the overall portfolios at this point of time. Yeah, so that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank held its investor day where they said that there is some stress in the microfinance segment. Also in Q4, which is seasonally strong, we witnessed in the result season that most of the microfinance stocks witnessed decline in their collection efficiencies, be it the even the best in class company like Credit Access. So across the board, we saw that asset quality had impacted in Q4. So Ujjivan is also saying similar thing. And because of this stress, they have reduced their loan growth guidance from 25% to 20%, and also slightly increased their credit cost guidance from 1.4 to 1.5 to levels of 1.7%. So overall negative for Ujjivan SFB and also for microfinance sector as a whole. Thank you.
Good morning. Avenue Supermarts has opened a new store in Vishakhapatnam, followed by a store which has opened in the last week on Thursday in Tamil Nadu. So the total number of stores as on date stands at 370. This is marginal positive for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, in GST Council meeting, they had recommended to reduce GST rate on corrugated or cartoon boxes from 18% to 12%. This will act a very good positive for FMCG company, which consumes a lot of cartoon and corrugated boxes. So that will help to reduce their cost to some extent and will act as positive for them. Specifically, there could be some agri-related companies will benefit more as their finished goods has a lower GST as compared to the packaging material. So that will reduce some burden of taking refund and all to them or skipping that. So that will act as positive for them also. Apart from that, GST Council has also recommended or came positive view on petrol and diesel into the GST and also fertilizer also. So that will keep the expectation build up in the sector that somewhere these products will go into GST and can support the company related to that. That's all from me. Now request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. As we had witnessed a correction in commodities on Friday, we might see some further sell-off. Gold prices can test 71, 350, 300 levels, whereby some pullback is expected. So for trading purpose, one can initiate a buy around 71, 350 with a stop loss of 71, 100. On upside, the pullback can last till 71, 900 to 72, 200, whereby again some selling pressure could be witnessed. So for trading purpose, one can also initiate a sell around 72, 200, maintaining a stop loss of 72, 450. In silver, prices can test 88, 700 to 88, 500 on downside. For a pullback, it can test 90,000 to 90,500, whereby again some selling pressure could be witnessed. So for trading purpose, one can initiate a sell around 90,500 to 90,700 and maintain a stop loss of 91,500. And on downside, 88, 700 to 500 is the support area where we can expect some pullback. So maintain a stop loss of 87, 700 on the downside. In metals, we are expecting prices in copper to test 840, 838 on downside. So sell with a stop loss of 855. And in zinc also, though zinc was the strongest on Friday as the closing was above and the closing was strong, but we expect prices are resisting 263, 264 mark. So one can sell with a stop loss of 264. And on downside, we are expecting 259 to 258 levels on downside. Crude oil clearly looks profit taking on higher end. So one should sell around 67.70 with a stop loss of 68.50. As long as prices are trading below 68.50, we are expecting prices to test 66.50, 6600 on downside. So expecting so sell on rise is the strategy on crude oil. Natural gas prices are expected to open gap down and test 215, 205 on downside. So selling on rise with a stop loss of 235 is recommended. That's it from us. Thank you very much.